Hi friends, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have one of my favorite videos that I always do for you guys, and that is anytime I get an Erin Condren box. So this is the seasonal Erin Condren Surprise box. Like I said, it comes out once a season, right? And I will tell you, there was a little bit of an issue with mine. Oh my goodness. It pretty much like got lost in the mail. It took like 20 days to get here. I had to call FedEx twice because they didn't even know where it was. It was kind of a mess. Not an Erin Condren issue, but just a FedEx issue. And oh my gosh, I was so frustrated because I was so excited to get it. But it is finally here and I can't wait to show you what's inside. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the seasonal surprise boxes, they are $35 and that includes shipping. So it's a really good deal. There's always some sneak peeks. There's usually a couple exclusives that only come in the box, and so I think it's a really good value, especially since Erin Condren shipping is normally like $7.95. So I think it's a really good value. Before I get started, I also want to let you guys know that I do have a coupon code in the description box below that if you are a new Erin Condren customer, you can save $10 off of your first order. So that's a really good deal, so make sure you check that out. So let's flip the camera over and I'll show you everything I got. Here is the inside of the box, and I love this. So it says, move the camera here. In all that you do, do it with gratitude. And these boxes, guys, Erin Condren has always been known for their packaging. It's just so nice, and everybody always used the box. Well, not too awful long ago, they started making the boxes reversible, so you can actually like take this and just flip it inside out. I mean, you could use the other side too, but the other side like has your address, and sometimes they write like the post office will write like your address on the side or whatever. So this is reversible. So it makes such a really pretty like memory box or something to put cards in. It really is so pretty, and it's like foil. Oh my gosh, it's even prettier in person. I have watched the video, so I kind of know what's in here, but and it is even prettier in person, guys. I absolutely love it. So this is just a little card from Erin, and on the back of it is going to show you everything that's in it. So I'll not turn that over yet because we'll just go through each item and I'll tell you if it's exclusive and the price point, all of that kind of fun things. Open the tissue paper here. Okay, so the first thing that we have is this desk accessory set. Now she came out with some like just around back to school time, some office supply kind of type things, and this is kind of goes along with that. And this one, it says it is called, let's see, Gemstones Desk Accessory Set, and it is a sneak peek. That means they are going to have it available, and it is a $12 value. Now, I don't know. I mean, I think it's nice. I do think that the case is really nice. I'm not sure it's worth $12. And honestly, this isn't kind of the type of thing I like. I really do like those binder clips. But I mean, I don't know. Maybe is it just me? But I mean, I work in an office, so we have plenty of like office supplies and things like that, and so I don't really buy this kind of thing. I mean, I do like the pretty paper clips and things. Like I said, I do like the rose gold binder clips, but other than that, it's just okay. Like it's not anything spectacular. You do get quite a little bit, and so I'm not saying that it's I don't know, it's just not my favorite item in the box. Okay, let's just jump to it. Let's just jump to the thing I've been excited to see, right? This, oh guys, oh, it feels so nice. It does feel so nice. It's like a velvety, let me see what it's called here. It is called the Wine Velvet Pencil Pouch, and it is exclusive. Now, I say it's exclusive. They are going to have these available online, but they're going to have them in different colors, I think. And so I think that this maroon wine, oh, there's a string there. Oh, look at that. We'll just snip that off like it's nothing, right? So not a big deal. That happens. So the wine maroon kind of color is exclusive to the box, and so I really, guys, I love this. I was not a big fan of like the planning packs and all of that, because I don't know, they were just too big. But I love this, and you can fit a good amount of pens and things in here, and yeah, I think it's a great, and I think $12, it's a good value. At the end, I will put this around my planner, but I want to wait. There's something else in here that I want to put on there first. So yeah, I'll put it around the planner and show you. The next item, I covered that up just so that you could see this better, is this gold ruler. It is called, it's a gold metal ruler. It is an $8.50 value, and it is a sneak peek. Now guys, this is pretty heavy duty. Now, the Erin Condren planners come with like a plastic ruler in them that snaps in and out. So I wasn't really sure I was going to like this, because I'm like, well, I mean, the other one snaps in and this one doesn't. But it's a really nice quality. I like it. I really do. It's heavy. I think that'll be great for cutting washi tape. And I do a lot of lines and things in my planner, so I actually really like this. And it's going to fit perfectly in this little pouch. I like that, guys. It's a really good value. And the next item is the 3 sticker sheets, and they are a $7.50 value, and they are exclusive. Now, most of the time, the sticker sheets in the surprise boxes are exclusive. That means you can't get them in store, you can't get them online. Oops. The only way you can get them is by ordering the seasonal surprise box, and I kind of like that, because it, you know, kind of gives you a reason to do this. But by the time they come out, guys, they're usually completely sold out. So it comes with this one that has like these like washi, and it's kind of interesting that some of them are gold and some of them are rose gold. That's kind of it's kind of interesting. And but I really like them. These are very, very pretty. I will say I wish that they had came out a little bit sooner. They didn't ship until the beginning of September, and so even if I had gotten it on time, I don't know that I would have had it. Like this one says Patriot Day. I wish I had it before Patriots Day, before 9/11. So that's not really my only complaint there. And again, mine did take a little bit longer to get there. But yes, I love these very, very pretty fall colors. I like the additions of the little pinks and different things. You get some winterly, you know, kind of things. I love these guys. And I really think that a $7.50 value for foil stickers for 3 sheets is a really good deal. You guys, this is, oh my gosh, this is everything. I love this. I absolutely, let me take it out of the package so it's not so bright. This is like a desk notepad, like to-do. It's over here. It's got the hourly. I have the hourly life planner, so that's really kind of my style. It's got top priorities, appointments, notes. I'm not really sure I would have put appointments there, just because, like, wouldn't that go over here? But you know what I'm saying. But regardless, it is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's rose gold. It's got these like birchwood trees with the flowers. I love this. It says it is functional notepad exclusive $10 value. Totally a steal. Totally a steal. Sometimes I think that these things are kind of overpriced, but this is not. This I would give $10 for any day of the week. But it says it's exclusive. So that really bums me out. Now, what I'm hoping that they change their mind, and I'm hoping that maybe this style is exclusive, kind of like they did with the pouch, and maybe they'll do it in different colors. That being said, I absolutely love the colors, so I would buy this again in a heartbeat. I think it's an absolutely probably, I mean, I don't know. I have a lot of, like, I love the pencil, but like the pouch. It's really tie-in for one of my favorite things in this box. And, oh, guys, I just absolutely love this. I know I'm going to get really used to using it, and then they're not going to, and then I want to run out, and then they say it's exclusive. So, please, Erin Condren, make more of these. Make more of these. Last but not least, it came with a cover. Oh, my gosh, I love when the seasonal surprise boxes come with a cover. Take it out of the package here. It is beautiful. It's got the dashboards inside. One is lined, one is not. Oh my gosh. And this says it is let's see, the metallic gold interchangeable cover green wedding shoes by Erin and Erin Condren. Now, Green Wedding Shoes is a company that they have partnered with this year to design some covers. My regular planner, let me grab it. The planner I ordered this year is a green wedding shoes cover. I also ordered, in fact, I think that I ordered a couple of different one of the green wedding shoes covers, because I ordered this one, and then I ordered a different style, but also partnered with the green wedding shoes for my monthly planner that I use for like my budget and things like that. So I love it. I love their flowers and their designs, and this is going to be so pretty, guys, and I am going to put it on there like right now. So with the so yeah, look at, I have all these pens stuck there that I can just stick in here. I don't know how many pens will fit in there, but several, guys, several. All right, and I'll make sure I don't have my address. No, I don't have my address. Okay. And then the interchangeables just pop off. And I will probably put this, like put my name on this one use my vinyl cutter, my Cricut, and put my name on it. I'm trying to work around the camera here so it's a little bit, these go on a lot easier than I'm doing here. Okay, there we go. And we'll just do the same with the back. Okay, there it is. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Now let's put this on. Now my planner is a little bit bigger than most planners. It's the 18-month, but I took out the extra months and then I added extra note pages from the monthly planner. So that's why mine's a little bit. Guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. So beautiful. I absolutely love this. Okay, here again is a look at everything that came in this season's surprise box. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. You get the interchangeable box, the desk accessories, the cover, the pouch, the stickers, the notepad, the ruler. So many great things. Again, it is $35 shipped. Don't forget that I do have the coupon code in the description box below, where if you are a new Erin Condren customer, you can save $10 off your first order. Oh my gosh, be sure to check it out because these things are so great, guys. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Again, be sure to check the link out below to get your coupon code. And oh my gosh, guys, I can't wait to get these all in my planner. Thanks for spending time with me. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell so YouTube notifies you when I upload new videos. And until next time, guys, bye.